Alright, for today's recipe we're going to break out the new cookbook that I got for Christmas. It is the Ultimate Keto Cookbook, and we're going to make a recipe from here today. And let me show you what we're going to make. This is called the Southwest Chicken Burgers with Avocado Salad. You can see a picture of it there. And then there is the recipe. I will leave a typed out description of the recipe and directions in the description below, so you'll know how to make it if you want to. And that is what it's going to look like. Alright, let's get started and make our yummy lunch. Alright, so here are the ingredients we're going to be using today for our Southwest Chicken Burgers with Avocado Salad. First, we're going to need 1 cup of finely diced red pepper, 1/2 cup finely diced red onion, an egg white, 1 teaspoon of chili powder divided, 20 ounces of ground chicken, and I have ground turkey. We're just going to substitute the chicken for the turkey today. We're going to need 1 medium avocado diced, and I have a couple here. We'll see which one is the more ripe. And then we're going to need the juice of a lime and 4 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, which y'all know I love my cheese, so we'll probably end up using just a tad more of the cheese. So let's get started and make our lunch. right, now that we've gotten all of our veggies diced up, we're going to put together the actual turkey burger itself, which is supposed to be a chicken burger, but we're doing a turkey burger. So we're going to take 1/2 cup of bell pepper.
Half a cup?
Yes. And 1/4 cup of red onion. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And also the egg white.
Don't talk about it. How much?
1 teaspoon.
Teaspoon?
I know I'm not doing this the correct way, so you have to excuse me, but that worked, so.
1 teaspoon.
I'm going to put our little friendly yolk aside. All right, now we're gonna add our ground turkey. So we need 20 ounces, so one of these is 16 ounces, so we're gonna do this one, plus we'll weigh out 4 ounces from the other tube, and we'll show you what that looks like. Here's the meat.
Smell good.
So my assistant thinks he can tell 4 ounces just by looking. So we're gonna go ahead and put the plate on.
No, not by looking.
And we're gonna tear it out. So it's back at 0. And he's going to see if he can show us what 4 ounces is.
Let's see. I'm gonna guesstimate about. I'd say this is probably about 5.5 ounces. Oh, that's 4.3.
Okay, then we'll just do that.
All right.
So there's our 20 ounces, 20.3 ounces of ground turkey. I'm going to get the assistance of my assistant, and he's going to mush this all up with his hands. We're going to combine all the... He's making a funny face. Just get in there and squish it, babe.
Yeah, that was my suggestion until I looked at it.
If you could see this,
or listen to it.
if you could see this, oh, this is very ASMR. If you could see the face he's making, you would be laughing.
Laughing matter.
And we're gonna shape these into 6 patties. Now that we have our turkey burgers made into 6 patties, we're going to put this in the fridge and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Alright, while the burgers are in the fridge resting, we're going to put together the salad that will go underneath our grilled burgers. We're just going to put the rest of the avocado, the cucumber, the red onion, and the red bell pepper into a bowl. We're going to add a half a teaspoon of chili powder and the juice of 1 lime. Oh, that was a juicy one. I'm just going to mix it up. Now that we have the salad all mixed up, we're going to put this in the fridge to let it sit as well. And then we'll be back as soon as our turkey burgers have rested. All right, our burgers have come out of the fridge. They've been in there for about 15 minutes. A little bit longer than that, but right around there. And now we're going to grill them up in our pan. I'm gonna start by spraying our pan with spray. I'm just using extra virgin olive oil over a medium heat, and we're gonna grill them up. Okay, we finished frying up our burgers. I made 6 turkey burgers, and we got the salad that we mixed up out of the fridge, and we're just going to plate this up. I'm gonna use about 1/4 cup as the bed to rest the turkey burger on. And then we just transfer our burger onto the plate, and voila! Oh, we'll get rid of this to make it look a little better. Looks delicious. I'll plate another one up and then we will taste test it for you and see how it tastes. So for the Southwest chicken burgers with avocado salad, this makes 6 servings, the recipe does, and for each serving there is 273 calories, 11 grams of fat, and 9 grams of carbs. So we're going to taste test it and see what it tastes like. That's very good. The lime gives it a nice, fresh taste. You also have nice contrast with the onion, as well as the pepper, cayenne pepper, or is it chili powder? It's chili powder. I'm sorry, the chili powder. That gives it a little bit of a kick, and it's definitely delicious. 2 thumbs up. Highly recommended. All right, I'm gonna go and finish my dinner and enjoy it. I will see you guys next time with another video, more recipes to come, and I hope you guys are having a good night. Remember, be the love, be the light, and do good things. See you soon.